It's not about having time. It's about making time. This simple quote captures a deep truth about how we manage our lives. Every day, we hear people say, "I don't have time." But the truth is, we all have time. The real question is what we choose to spend it on. Most of the time, not having time really means we haven't made space for what truly matters. When we think of having time, it sounds passive, as if life itself should hand us free moments to do what is important. But in reality, our days are full of tasks, interruptions, and distractions. If we don't actively choose to make time, it slips away without us even noticing. Making time means making a conscious choice, deciding that something is valuable enough to create space for. Often people say they don't have time to read, exercise, or spend with family. What they really mean is that these things are not high enough on their list of priorities. We always find time for what we truly value, whether that's work, social media, TV shows, or hobbies. Where our time goes shows us what our priorities are. Making time is about putting our values first and directing our energy to what matters most. Of course, making time doesn't magically add more hours to the day. What it does mean is learning to plan better, to say no to things that don't matter, and to build routines that support our goals. For example, one quiet hour in the morning before work can be perfect for personal growth, if we give up endless screen time at night and go to bed earlier. We can't control how much time we are given in life, but we can control how we use it. When we make time for ourselves, for growth, and for loved ones, we send a powerful message: these things are important. It is an act of self-respect and a conscious way of living. Making time is not a luxury, it is a choice that reflects our inner compass. In the end, the real question is not whether we have time. The question is whether we make time for what truly enriches us. Time won't simply come to us, we have to create it ourselves. Thank you and see you soon.